The Mova S20 Ultra robot combo is a highly efficient cleaning device with a dual roller brush system and impressive suction power of 8,300 Pascal, making it ideal for removing dust and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. This robot vacuum features an innovative hot water mop self-washing and drying system that not only cleans but also sanitizes, ensuring a fresh and odor-free home environment. With its smart carpet cleaning technology, the S20 Ultra automatically lifts the mop when detecting carpets, preventing any damage while still providing thorough cleaning. The device offers versatile control options through both voice commands and a dedicated app, allowing users to customize cleaning schedules and create virtual boundaries for a tailored cleaning experience. Equipped with advanced 360-degree object recognition and avoidance technology, the robot navigates efficiently even in complex spaces, avoiding obstacles and ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. An impressive battery life of 2.5 hours on a single charge ensures that the Mova S20 Ultra can handle extensive cleaning tasks without interruption.